16. Kasi, wala kasi ako bibigay regalo sa'yo, kaya, eto, ginawa ko na lang to, as a greeting, you know, kasi, ang hirap mamili ng regalo, alam mo ba yun? Tsaka, yung regalo na hindi mo, siyempre, yung magiging memorable sa'yo, pero eto, sigurado, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, sana, maging masaya ka, sana, ano ba, more birthday to come, then, sana matapos natin itong school natin, sana sabi tayo graduate, alam ko, kaya natin to. Tsaka, thank you sa lahat ng kabaitan, tsaka yung papatikim ng cake, hindi ko napapalitan yun, thank you, and sorry, you know, basta, I'm very happy kasi nakilala kita, and, you know, tsaka sa mga kaibigan ko na ayaw ko mawala, napapahalagahan ko akong buhay. I don't want to lose you tulad ng iba, kasi ikaw, kaibigan mo yata. Nga pala, meron akong kanta na for you, so sana gusto mo to. Hindi ko siya makakanta sa intermission, ayoko na lang, for 5 weeks na lang, diba? Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung kopya. Nasaan ka na? Magpasikat ka kaya? Nasaan ka na? Ito na siya. Para ba ako bading? Hindi naman ang bading, lalaki na kaya. Ang laki ng mga mumuto kong escort na diba? Ito na. Para sa ito. This song titled ano ba? Fairy Tale Starts. The Fairy Tale Starts. Okay? The Fairy Tale Starts. The Fairy Tale Starts. Okay. Quick November to remember. The memories are lying there. And our friendship never fails. And hope the summer never ends. I wish it never ends. I'm trying to turn the cell phone off, 'cause I'm afraid you forget me again. Please remember me whenever you go, like I remember you. 'Cause tonight is the night that the princess smiles, and tonight the fairy tale starts. The fairy tale starts, and the princess stands out in the crowd like butterfly. And the princess meets her prince tonight, so that the fairy tale starts. The fairy tale starts. Don't try to take one step away, 'cause I'm afraid you'll leave me again. Please remember me whenever you go, like I remember you. 'Cause tonight is the night that the princess smiles, and tonight the fairy tale starts. Sunod the bell tale start. Tonight, the fairy tale start. Yeah. And the prince takes her hand to dance. And tonight their first dance starts. And I wish it never ends. I wish it never ends. 'Cause tonight is the first time that the princess smiles. And tonight the happy ending starts. The happy ending starts. The happy ending starts tonight. The happy ending starts. The happy ending starts. Yeah. Yun. Thank you sa lahat ng bagay. And thank you for everything again and again and again and again. I'm so glad to be I'm so glad to know you. I'm so glad to be your friend. Yes, I'm very happy. Thank you and happy birthday. Bye bye.